Have you ever been in a conversation with a woman and wondered if she's dropping subtle hints about what she really wants? Here's a truth bomb: women rarely express their desires outright. Instead, they communicate through signals, questions, and cues that you need to pick up on. Missing these clues could mean missing out on a deep connection or even an intimate opportunity. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 key questions women ask when they're interested in taking things to the next level. These aren't just ordinary questions, they're loaded with meaning. Stick around to the end, and you'll learn how to respond with confidence and clarity, ensuring you never miss these signals again. Question 1. Why are you single? The classic question that can feel like a trap if you're not prepared. When a woman asks this, she's probing for 2 things: whether you're emotionally available and if there's a catch. Your response should exude confidence and self-awareness. For instance, "I've been focused on my goals and waiting for the right connection. I'd rather be single than settle for something that doesn't feel genuine." This answer frames you as someone with standards, which is inherently attractive. To keep the energy light, follow up with a playful question like, "What about you? Are you single because you're picky too?" This creates an opportunity for her to share more about herself while keeping the conversation engaging and flirty. Question 2. Have you ever been in love? When a woman asks this, she's diving beneath the surface to understand your emotional depth. She's curious about your past, but more importantly, how you've handled love and heartbreak. It's not about being perfect, it's about being real. Share a meaningful story that highlights your growth. For instance, "I've been in love before, and while it didn't work out, it taught me a lot about what really matters in a relationship, like trust and shared values." By answering authentically, you show that you're emotionally available and mature, which is incredibly attractive. Then flip the script and ask her, "What about you?" This creates an intimate space where she feels safe opening up to you, deepening your bond. Question 3. What's your type? This might seem like a simple curiosity, but it's actually a loaded question. When a woman asks this, she's subtly fishing for information about where she stands with you. This is your chance to make her feel special without being overly direct. For example, "I'm drawn to women who are confident, kind, and have a great sense of humor, someone who can laugh at my terrible jokes." Notice how this answer is specific enough to sound genuine but leaves room for her to think, "Am I his type?" If she laughs or follows up with, "Well, do I fit the description?" then you've just opened the door to playful banter and flirtation, which can escalate the chemistry between you. Question 4. So, what do you do for fun? On the surface, this question seems casual, but it's her way of gauging your personality and vibe. Women are attracted to men who know how to enjoy life, and this question gives her insight into whether you're adventurous, relaxed, or someone she'd want to spend more time with. Don't just list hobbies, bring your answer to life. For example, instead of saying, "I like hiking," say, "I love exploring new trails, especially ones with a killer view at the top." There's something about the challenge and the reward that's addictive. This kind of answer showcases passion and paints a picture, making you more intriguing. Now here's the trick: after sharing your story, ask her the same question and engage with her response. It turns the conversation into a shared experience, and that connection lays the groundwork for something deeper. Question 5. What do you think of me? When a woman asks this, she's testing the waters to see how you feel about her. This is your chance to make her feel seen and appreciated without going overboard. A great way to answer is with a mix of sincerity and charm. Honestly, I think you're fascinating. You've got this mix of confidence and curiosity that's really captivating. By highlighting a specific quality you've noticed, you make your compliment stand out. Then take it a step further by adding, "But what do you think of me?" This not only keeps the conversation balanced but also builds tension and intrigue, paving the way for a deeper connection. These 5 questions aren't random, they're a way of signaling interest and creating an opening for a closer connection. Women often communicate indirectly, and recognizing these cues can mean the difference between a missed opportunity and an unforgettable moment. By responding with confidence, curiosity, and authenticity, you show that you're not just paying attention, you're also someone she can trust and connect with on a deeper level. Understanding these questions and what they mean is your ticket to building chemistry and connection. Remember, it's not about memorizing responses, it's about being present, engaged, and true to yourself. When you can pick up on her cues and respond in a way that makes her feel valued, everything changes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more insights like these. Drop a comment below sharing which question you've encountered before or which one caught you by surprise. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.